To create a maintenance punch list while you're on a property, open the app and go to Work Order on the bottom menu. Then select Non-Billable Maintenance Service.
These are in-contract services.
Select whatever task you want them to do, like tree maintenance and care, and prune tree. We want them to prune the canopy right here. Open the shopping cart at the top and click Review. Assign it to anyone on the property by touching this green plus. This list can be updated from the website on the property profile page. Select who you'd like to assign it to, update the priority,
Then hit the green disc on the bottom to save it.
you can add a picture or a note, or delete it. Go back to the map and review it. Once you like it, hit the green thumbs up. This will immediately get assigned to whoever you've assigned it to with a text message. You'll also get a message. The link in the message will have all your information on the assignment.